Hey, what's up, fans? Your boy Darren Brown coming to you on a day after Father's Day, and I'm on the grind here, and I'm waiting on an inspection here. Have a 10 tag mop in progress, shingle in progress inspection, and hopefully the weather holds up. I mean, we got this on Friday, but hopefully the weather holds up so we can finish this roof this week. But the guys did always do a fantastic job. Where you see right there, that's the valleys. Got the valley mellow in. Got the new white drip edge. That's in. You know, all-purpose fence in, lead stacks in. So we're really getting everything together here. So, hey, it's gonna help this homeowner with their homeowner's insurance. Even though the house was built like in the 70s, you can't do anything about that. But they got a roof that was redone 2021. You see how that works? So when you're giving your insurance information, this is some of the stuff that you're giving out. New roof 2021. Okay. So, hey, keep checking in on me on my social media, which is Darmac2001. That's my IG handle. And then you got my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders. And my Facebook is Darren Brown with Darmac Builders. Just look up Darmac Builders, you'll find it. That part. So we're good here. So with that being said, I'm out. Waiting on the inspector to come now. That's the hard part. Just sitting here and waiting. And I know some of you guys probably say, "Oh, why you gotta sit?" Well, I want to always build a relationship with the inspector. Let them know that, hey, I do care. I'm on my job. If there's any issues, I'm here to take care of it. I'm not saying I can do that on all my jobs, but when it comes onto like the roofs and stuff like that, when we get it done, I like to be here, so I can learn if there's something that we need to do or we need to get better at. Make sense? All right. With that being said, peace out.